This is Paul. The Office, of Honor, Trust, and Profit. SPT, Spokane, Washington. Yeah, I emailed your police department. South Precinct, Spokane, Washington. Yeah, I emailed you. And then the North Precinct, Spokane, Washington. Huh? And then all of these attorneys from the chambers. Yep, McDonald, Carnarvon, Dixon, right? Approximately 400 or 500 attorneys. Yep, in different states of the United States. Now, there's the concept, right? The actual office of honor, profit, and trust. Yep. The United States military has an obligation to make sure that no criminal record or any court record has any fraud, yes, forgery or fraudulent entries. Yeah, I'm documenting numerous felonies and I want the felony removed from my criminal record and my court records. Yeah. Now, I did this about a year ago. Ouch. And it's still there right now. Now, the father of 5 sons, I want custody of them. And I want our rights enforced. When you get this email, remove every criminal record, and all court records that have any fraud, forgery, or felony that does affect the enlistment of those that volunteer to be in the military. The DD 369. Now, here's a screen print of it. Yeah. Information requested. Have a police or juvenile record. I should have no police record at all. Shouldn't have any. Record was expunged on Guam. Right now! It was. I should not have a police record. I should not have a record of any arrests. And you should not have issued any orders that violate any court forms. Yep. That violate, yes, the office of honor, profit, and trust. Now, under why is that a surprise? Now, I sent this almost a year ago. Spokane. War crimes folder. Misprision of treason. This is a forgery, felony. Yeah. Kidnapping in the second degree. Yeah. And then, let's see here. Forgery. Yeah. Oh, harassment, terrorism. Class C felony. Oh, is an actual hate crime in the state of Washington. Yeah. The penalties provided section malicious harassment. Preclude the victim from seeking any other remedies other than otherwise available under law. I have the right to seek all known right now remedies under law. Nothing in this section confers or expands any civil rights or protections to any group or class identified under this section beyond those rights or protections that exist under federal or state constitution. United States Constitution. Oh, State of Washington Constitution. Yeah. Now, right there. Civil law. Now, for the last year, there's a lawsuit, Brent, that judges that don't consider what is honorable, within the confines of trusting, and profitable, for the litigants, they are not in the actual office of judge. Now, within that definition, every time you issued a court order when my wife, did not have the obligation of me having no due process, it violated your office. This is a picture of myself, when my driver's license was issued. and it was issued on July 13th of 2009, 11 years ago. This is an image of myself today, having been homeless for the last 10 years. Yeah, from the time we went to the Guma San Jose, the homeless shelter on Guam. Yes, on approximately the 5th of January, yes, of 2011 until today. Yes, I have been homeless for 9 years and 4 months right now. 9 years and 4 months. Now, I want to ask you again, Brent, what is your office? (6'2", 255 pounds. Yeah. hmm Birth date July 13th of 1970. Yeah. hmm Now, for some reason, yeah, this is different than that. Yeah. And this address, this individual, yeah, is never being prosecuted. Forgery, fraud, uh, Father's Day. Sunday is Father's Day, and as a father, I want my family. I'm documenting felonies, very serious felonies. Yep. And I want the laws enforced. Look at all these email addresses. Did did you do something you didn't want people to know about? Holland and Hart. Yes. BC attorneys. Perkins Coy. Yeah. Dixon Wright. Kemp Jones. Ouch. Mm, mm. June 14th of 2019. Yeah. Now, did somebody think that I was just making stuff up? That they didn't understand what you were doing? Seattle Police Department. Your municipal code. Yep. Malicious harassment. The requirements for petitioning for protection order. Yep. Forgery. False reporting. The expungement order. Copy of the DD 369. A marriage license. Yep. Copy of the protection order. Yes. And an explanation of child abuse and neglect exploitation. Yeah. Is there somebody that thought that this spam right now? You know, I've looked at the drives of what I've emailed. Yeah. And I've looked at what I've been emailing for the last few years. When you decided to use your judicial authority, yeah, to contract with the state for policing power, yeah, and prosecution, I decided that you were corrupt. Yeah, that goes for the librarians. Now, rights of accused persons, yeah, administration of justice, passage of bills, privilege from arrest, rules, elections, yes, treason, constitution mandatory, rights of the trial by jury, freedom of elections, imprisonment of debt, yeah, excessive bail and fines and punishments, yeah. Now, this is the Constitution of the state of Washington. Yes. Now, within this, there's probably some suits against the state. Yeah. Extra compensation prohibited. Bribery and corrupt solicitations. Yeah. Laws when to take effect. Ouch. Protection of employees. Highway funds. Oh, could you get that for me? I'd like to have the highway funds in each and every state. We don't need to fix the roads. We don't need any additional highways or freeways. Pooch, we do not need to repave anything. Now, I'll just need to know, oh, how much money we spent on the highways. Oh, seal of the state. Yeah. Huh? Auditor, treasurer duties. Oh, superintendent of public instruction. Oh, qualifications. Oh, judicial power. We're vested. What happens when you use the vested power of the judicial?